Okay, here we have the stick vacuum cleaner. So I'm just gonna show you at the end me using it live. I'm just gonna unbox everything, and there's cars and motorcycles in the background. Okay, so this is the handle, I'm guessing. Okay. Another piece. This is the actual vacuum itself for the floor. This is a handheld vacuum too. Get the manual, which I'm going to go through in a minute. Here's an attachment. It's another attachment. You can use this for your car. We got some filters here. I want to know how many. You got 10. 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. No, 9. Sorry about that. Thought it was 10. Alright, so you get 9 filters. And the vacuum itself. This is a pretty long cord, which is good. Okay, so I'm going. Wow, this thing is heavy as hell. Holy crap. Okay, well this is a very heavy. If you're gonna use this for the handheld, you better be like me and have some muscles. This thing is not light. Okay, which is a good thing. It means that it's high quality. Because so that's good. This is the power on and on, I'm sure. Okay, so I'm going to set everything up, test it, and give you my opinion. But so far I'm liking it. Okay, I just want to show you a quick assembly, so how to assemble it. So you would take the vacuum, and that's that for this piece. Okay, you would just line up these yellow arrows, okay, and just make sure that these are for the extra cable to wrap it around. You always want that facing you, because the handle is like this. Okay, and then you would just put it here. Okay, then you would just screw this in so it's tight, just like that, and you're all set. Okay, now you have the whole thing set up, and you're ready to start vacuuming. Almost forgot. So this button is where you would push to remove. Here's the filter. So as you dump everything out, and you would just remove this gasket, which I'm not going to do right now because I already have a filter on. But you just remove it, put a filter on, and you got 9 of them in here, so you have 10 to total. And you just put it back. Okay, just align everything, lock it in, and you're ready. Alright, well, as you saw and heard, this thing works really good. It's very loud, so that's a good thing. It means it's very strong, picking up all the dirt. I mean, look at all the small particles. I dumped out the bigger pieces, but you can see the filter works fine. The wheels on this thing are good. They're kind of cheap plastic, but they move smooth, and this rotates in different angles, so yeah, I like it a lot. I recommend it for sure. And whether you're going to use it for the, for the vacuuming with the handle, for your floors, or you're going to use the handheld version, you can't go wrong because you can use both. So when you're finished cleaning your house with the, with the regular vacuum, remove it, go to your carpets, you attach these attachments, okay, or go, and you're fine. Really good solution, 2-in-1 solution. Recommend it. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future videos just like this one. And also like the video. If you want the product shown, just click the link in the description. Stay real.